You see this week in the kitchen, and mad things again in the kitchen. One more time again, because I don't know how go on in the kitchen, see?
I want 12 I do it, you know.
Oh gosh, man.
I want 12 I do it.
Mad things.
Mr. What? Peaches and cream.
Them for know the ladies, them better get ready again. You see what I mean? So what go on in the kitchen this week, Chef Carl?
Well, this week, you know, my youth, I change up the game totally, because this week, I go with a pepper steak. You know, pepper steak. But I put a little bit of twist on it with some marshmallow. I'm going to also marinate with some Corona and some raisin. I turn pepper steak, turn it over, I turn it over. I turn it over. Everything I got to sell out. So here what you want to stick around and watch what got happen right now.
Yeah.
You alright?
Which part?
In the kitchen.
In the kitchen.
Alright, you don't know how your boy do already. Everything, they have everything already pre-ready and pre-cut up. So right now, we have a nice steak here now. We have a nice piece of steak, nice and lean. And we're gonna make some nice little strips, some nice little cut over him. Nice little strip. Cut them up real nice. You can go with any kind of steak you want. You can go with a skirt steak, you can go with a fillet. I know in Jamaica, we have all different kind of cut of steak we want to use. And pepper steak are something what Jamaicans definitely love. We definitely love this. And this is something we cook real easy. I'm gonna cut off some of the fat. Cut away some of the fat because we want this to have a nice flavor to him. Alright, then I'm gonna grab my bowl. I'm gonna season up this bad boy. Some salt. Alright. A little bit of obey. I'll grab the seasoning spices we have over here. So ready? Some garlic powder, some onion powder, a little bit of black pepper, a little bit of pepper flakes. Then I go for my fresh garlic. Bam, 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 fresh garlic. Some thyme. Go for my thyme right now. And normally them something you can make them something and marinate from like overnight. Make it marinate real good. I'm gonna go for a little bit of oil over him. Alright, that's it. Right, rub this bad boy up. As you don't know, I'm a browning. I'm gonna go for a little bit of a browning. The browning also mixed with my steak sauce. A little bit of the browning inside of the steak sauce because we want to give it that nice flavor. Alright, mix that bad boy up. Alright, I'm gonna wipe off my hand. Make sure my hand nice and clean. Then I'm gonna come right over here in our pot. I'm gonna throw this. Nice. So you don't know already? As Mr. I put a little bit of twist for my steak, for my pepper steak. So I change it up a little bit and there's a little bit of my jerk season on it. A little bit of my jerk season on it. One of my brand what I like to use to. Drizzle them up with some nice Corona. Alright, look on that, look on that, look on that, look on that, good. Look on that, good. Trouble me, a different kind of chef. Different kind of chef. That's like myself with everything. Same thing myself with the card, even with the ID card. Sometimes you go someplace you have to change up and you have to get adjusted to certain things. I'm not just a Jamaican chef, international. International. I'm gonna put a little bit of my Tabasco. Give it a nice little kick of spice away from the jerk. Season that's inside. Finish them off with my nice scallion. Make it look real good. Real good and looking real pretty. A little bit more Corona. Nice. Alright, let's go. Nice. That's what I'm talking about. Just imagine the flavor that's bursting over that. Alright. And I'm gonna serve this with some nice jasmine rice and some nice steamed veg. Real simple and real nice. And listen, you're definitely gonna enjoy this. Something totally different. What you know about marshmallow? What you know about marshmallows? Right on top of your pepper steak. Don't get it twisted. Keep it locked right there.
Hey, what's up? I'm Sharice Marie, and we are here at the legendary BB King's tonight to see the, well, legendary 112. I'm here at a very, very poignant time in their career. They're touring again. There's a lovely crowd outside, and they can't wait to see, obviously, 112.
Let me tell you what I wanna do. Let me show you that I feel you. When I see spin around with me, when I see when I put my lips on. Can't get enough of you. Always thinking of you. So sweet, so very wet, so good, you make me sweat. Gonna talk about bitches and free. It's right. Know what I mean? We just ain't free. Girl, you taste so good to me.
What they know about this? They're not ready for this yet, man. They're not ready for this yet. They're not ready for this. Let me give them a little bit of this. Alright. Look what I'm mad them now. I think I'm mad them right now. Listen, you know how we do it. In the kitchen. I saw it we in the kitchen. Your boy right here, Chef Patrick, closing on for another week. Don't get it twisted. You know what? Come chat with me. In the kitchen. Keep it locked.
Ice cream, no one